Class 13, integrity of engineers. Why it is required and how it is required. See, professional level ಅಲ್ಲಿ integrity ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? It is required in research and engineering, research and testing. For example, say you are testing purity of milk, quality of milk. ನೀವು ಡೈರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾರಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಈವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ division, that that department. It, you have to certify whether this road is built properly, or building is built, road is constructed properly, building is constructed or built properly, etc., etc. So you should have, if you have integrity, you will not compromise there. You will certify according to the actual quality of the work. Even in research, there should be integrity. It should be for good of mankind. You know, corona virus has come. That is against integrity. Okay. So some chemical, chemical fertilizers or cosmetics, all these come, which are which have lots of side effects. So there is no integrity. People are just bothered about making money. Okay, next, use of intellectual property. Okay, for example, say somebody has written a thesis, and you are going to do PhD. You are copying from his theory, from say 2 pages from one theory, one thesis, another 3 pages, some other person's thesis. There are some people who get PhD by preparing like khichadis, means they will copy and paste from some say 8 to 10 PhD reports, which will look like as if it is a new report, and they get PhD. So they are misusing the intellectual property. And then sometimes say you are working in a company, okay, the employer is misusing you. He may say your work, what you have done, intellectual work, that will be used for such and such work. But he may be using it for a different purpose, which you may not like. But he may not disclose to you that before joining. You may have to work properly, honestly, for humanity, good of humanity. But he may use your intellectual capability for wrong things. Similarly, it can happen by employee also. In an organization, you have good environment where you get access to all the files, etc., etc., in a computer. But you misuse that and deliver and give that information to other competitors. Sometimes ದೇಶದ್ರೋಹನೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. You know, some people in defense organization, they leak some information of our country defense, etc., to other neighboring enemy countries. So intellectual property can also be misused. There also you should have integrity. Next, Client professional confidentiality. See, even in case of say doctors, okay, a doctor should not reveal identity of patient to everybody. Even in police department, suppose there is a rape victim, police should not disclose identity of that rape victim to society. So that confidential level should be maintained. They should disclose it only to the officers who are going to work on uh, uh, that issue. Similarly, when you are working in some profession, you should maintain confidentiality of your client. Okay, today what happens is, say you go to supermarket, say Big Bazaar, more supermarket, there they take your mobile number. You give your mobile number, right? But sometimes what happens, some some other company, some any insurance company or any company will come there and give them around 10 to 50,000 rupees. They will give identity, phone number, everything of all their customers, and you get a phone call from that insurance company. Hello, I am from so and so insurance company. Are you, say, Mr. Mohan? Can I speak to you for 3 minutes, etc., etc.? You get surprised. From where did such insurance company got your phone number? That is, the supermarket people have leaked your identity to some other third party, just for getting some 10,000, 50,000 rupees. So these things all happen. So strictly speaking, they should maintain confidentiality of clients, customers. Okay. And expert testimonials. When you write your testimonials, you should write properly. Okay. Some experts simply for advertisement. Okay. They will write something, may not be, even though that quality may not be right, some experts may write it as, okay, it is good quality. And normal people get cheated. Next, failure to inform the public. Suppose a company is under loss, they should inform to the public that we are not now in a good condition. Otherwise, people will invest in their share market and lose money. Okay, even a doctor should indicate or inform the patient about his condition to his relatives, instead of unnecessarily. Some doctors, what they know it is a hopeless case, but instead of telling their relatives, they just keep on doing other test, this treatment, that treatment, and ultimately patient dies. They make the bill large amount and make money. Sometimes there will be a simple method to cure the patient, but instead of the simple method, they will go for long method and make money. Many things are like that. So integrity should be there.